process will be done in fifth step only. Okay, so in fifth step, there are 3 C's. One is contribution, another one is commitment, and third one is companion. So contribution, obviously revenue should be generated over time, and commitment, how much revenue you get other than the competitors, and champion, here you'll be getting support, involvement, and advocacy of your brand. So these are the 5 most important steps of IMC process. So they may ask you, what are the steps of IMC process? So these are the 5 steps. What is IMC? Integrated marketing communication. This process is clear? 5 steps of IMC process.
Yes, ma'am.
And your next one is benefits. So what are the benefits of integrated marketing communication? So there are so many benefits. I have given only 6 or 7 benefits. So although integrated marketing communication requires a great deal, it provides several advantages, like it can build competitive advantages. Why it can build essence? It will be improving sales and profit. And if obviously sales and profit improves, I can save money, time, and pressure. I don't want to go so many places. I can sit in one places. I can communicate all the marketing strategies, like whatever strategies I know, I can use that particular strategies, and I can save so many things. I can even improve my sales also. I can increase my profit also. So that is the foremost thing. And second one is, like if you go to shops all now, like traditional marketing, if you go to shops all, they will not, like it is not that much attractive. But here IMC will be improving the consumers interactions. So you can have an interaction, like to purchase one product, you can have so much of interactions in the net. So that is the thing, more customers are going for nowadays, going for the online thing, and you people can get a more collectors. You don't want to go for one simple designs or one simple things. You will be getting in IMC more collections will be there. So that is the next benefits. And if you see about the relationship, obviously the customer royalty will be there. So the customer royalty for the brand will be there. Why? Because if you see in online purchasing, if you purchase above first order is free, something somebody is giving, and one people is giving, if you buy one get one free. And if one people is giving, like if you purchase above 1,000, free delivery, and if you purchase above 3,000, you will get one more product, like additional product you will get. So there are more offers are there, so its customers are more loyal, they'll not switch on to any other thing. And here you can see, if you go for one shirt, you will see lakhs and lakhs of online shopping. So the competition is very strong, and it is a healthy competition also. So like IMC also increases profits by increasing it. If the brand, like if you can purchase and see, if you purchase, so many are giving return also. So I don't like the stuff, I can return also. So many things are advantages are there in the integrated marketing communication. And it saves your money also. And if some, for example, duplication is there, you can return also. Like if you see one color will be there, if you order the product, the other colors will be there. So there are so many things, but even that, all the advantages you can feel in this benefits. And next one is barriers of IMC. In the barriers or disadvantages or limitations, so called, there are only 4 barriers. So first one is functional silos. So what is functional silos essence? Like sometimes I'm a salesman. Okay. I'm not a salesman. I'm giving an example. So I'm a salesman. So if the company is not telling me what are the promotional offers I'm going to tell to the particular customer, so it is a particular barrier. So the information, the functional related information should be reached to the particular person. Otherwise, there is no use of giving any other options or any. Second one is stifled creativity. So stifled creativity essence, like IMC can restrict creativity. So when you're using this integrated marketing communication, there is more restrictions, and they'll be asking no more wild related advertising. You should not go crazy sales promotions, all you're not supposed to go. So, and you have only limited things you can use in this IMC. So that is known as stifled creativity. Like your all creativity cannot be used in this IMC. Third one is time scale conflicts. So time scale is since like what you have more creative idea, but within that particular time frame only you can do this particular thing. Like for example, image advertising is a, so you will be nurture the design what to like for a longer term. So image advertising you will be given for a longer term. For what you will be giving that particular advertising for the like the company's brand and all over the thing. It is for a longer term. But you are giving in IMC for longer term. Only longer term is brand. What about the shorter thing? What is your short term thing? Only sales promotion. So if you go on longer term of goal, you cannot achieve the short term of goal. That is time scale conflicts. Okay. And fourth one is lack of management know-how. So obviously the lack of management will be there. You want to keep on update it, and you want to keep on give the feedback for the reviewers who is going to give all the thing. Like for example, if the review is coming for your product, you want to reply for them, whether it is a negative or whether it is a positive, whatever may call. So you want to give the review for it. Otherwise, it will be difficult for them whether to wait or whether to switch over, what to be done. Everything will be the question mark for them. Okay. So that's all about your barriers of IMC. Is barriers is clear? Functional silos, stifled creativity, time scale conflicts, lack of management know-how. And next up, I want to ask you something, your class. I think Sapna ma'am has forwarded you people. It is a Google sheet or Google form, I don't know. So kindly fill that form, because that is the thing we want to submit in the placement. What are the things you have been done? Okay, whether it is an internship or whatever so called, it is clearly mentioned in that. Kindly attach a certificate also. There is an option for attaching the certificate. Okay. How many filled that? How many filled that?
वो इंटर्नशिप वाला फॉर्म मैम?
हाँ, yes.
जी मैम, भर दिया.
Fine. Remaining students, great. So remaining students, kindly fill it, because we need it immediately. You are in 6th semester, so we need your data. And I have shared you now also on Google form. If you open that, you can find out the information called what are the achievements you have done. So kindly fill that Google form also. Okay.
जिसने मैम कोई अचीवमेंट ही नहीं करी, वो क्या करेगा फिर?
Moksh Sharma, you are asking a good question, but
मैम हम जैसे तो ऐसे, तब भी ऐसे थे, आज भी ऐसे हैं.
But to a wrong person. You had a chance to come to college, right? Why can't you ask the people and go? So this information I'm not collecting, I'm receiving from the management. So I'm giving to you people to collect the information. I'm like an intermediary. So actually why this information is required, is since we want to submit for the university or NAC or UGC so called. Why we want to submit, as since like we want to tell that what are the students have been achieved, whether it is in sports or music. And so many people are not aware in which student is good in what. Okay. So finally, at least we are getting the information now. Obviously, this should be done at the time of starting. Then we want to motivate you people. Like everything is collapsed, and now we are getting the information for the registering purpose.
मैम अब तो डिग्री मिलने पे मोटिवेट होंगे.
Moksh Sharma, you come to me personally, then I'll kick you, then let's see, okay? We'll wait for it. Right. So kindly you have two works. One is placement. Another one is your achievement link. Kindly do it as soon as possible. So your next topic is internet and integrated marketing communication, it's a base. So how, in what are the ways they'll be using this is the thing. Yes. So first and foremost thing is advertising on the internet. So how you will be advertising on the internet? So internet is there. So you know how to like there are televisions are there, magazines are there, outdoor and so on. So many are there. And to promote your companies or you to promote your working organizations, you will be start advertising on the internet, like broadcast, print, or internet advertising medium, anything you can be doing. And in that, first one is banners. So banner is the common form where you will be doing the advertising, like web in banner. Have you seen like posters like banner, like you'll be creating and you'll be on the internet. By seeing that, it's like a skyscrapers or side panels or anything they'll be adding. So by seeing that information, it includes all your details also. So by seeing that, they will be get to know about your product. Second one is sponsorship. So sponsorships, as in there are two types of sponsorships. One is regular sponsorship. Obviously, this occur, the company will be paying for the action. Like if I'm the sponsors are by any of the company will give sponsors, or the main sponsors, that is regularly they'll be giving us sponsors for all the activities. It may be sports, or it may be any cine, or it may be any musical concert, anything. So that is the regular sponsorship. And next is content sponsorship. So content sponsorship essence, basic this kind of sponsorship will be provided only with the name, like association of a name. And here this kind of sponsorship only will be based on the particular content. It will not give for all. It will give only for the particular for example, cancer awareness sponsor. So if he is a doctor or something, he'll be giving a sponsorship only for the particular event, particular content, that is known as a content sponsor. So there are two types of sponsorship. One is regular sponsorship. There is no nothing section called nothing. So they just like that, they'll be giving for regular. Next is content. This content sponsorship will be given only for the particular people, not for all. And third one is interstitials. So here, like what ad will be appear on your screen. So if you open the site, or if you open the content, the first and foremost what is coming in your screen is known as interstitials. Fourth one is push technologies. So this is otherwise known as webcasting technologies. So the more companies will be allowing the customers to find out this push technologies. If you see this push technologies, now dispatch web pages will be there, like sound or audio or something will be there. If you click it, you will get the information. Other, if you leave it, it depends upon the person who is using it. That is push technology. And fifth one is link. So link is another kind. So if I send you a link of my product or something, if you click the particular thing, you will go automatically to the particular website or particular area where all the information is there. So that is a link. These are the 5 things: banners, sponsorship, interstitials, and push technology, and links. And second one is personal selling on internet. So personal selling on internet. What is personal selling on internet? So how you will be there for personal selling? Personal selling, in marketing. So in marketing, what you will do, you just go directly face to face, you will do the selling. So how personal selling on internet is possible? My dear, please tell me how personal selling on internet is possible.
Ma'am, that question answer box available.
Sorry?
Ma'am, if the question answer block is available for the customers.
No, I'm asking what is personal selling on internet? What does mean by that? So personal selling on traditional marketing essence, you will go to a person directly, you will see face to face, and you will sell the product. But how it is possible in internet, I'm asking. You will see directly to a person, You will see face to face and you will sell. No, that is not possible in personal selling on internet. So what here will do, like many people will be involved in personal selling. Have you seen this Meesho app? So here all the dealers, all the producers, all the producers of the thing, they'll be putting the material over that. It is a clothes or jewelries or whatever, everything they'll be putting on that Meesho app. Like if I want to do a business, they will be already, the things will be dumped in the particular app. So if I go inside, if I select one product, I can share to the customer to whom I want to advertise, but the main value will be fixed. If you click it, it will be asking how much profit margin you want to keep. For example, if the product rate is 500 rupee, we can fix my margin. Like I can sell it for 700 rupee, I can sell it for 300 rupee. If you see your Facebook now, the same dress you can see in different version, different price. How it is coming essence from wholesale, like it is like from the particular wholesale, like what is wholesale essence, everybody will be dumped there. So from there, like individual sellers will take and they are fixing their own percentage of profit and they are selling it. That is personal selling on internet. Is it clear? So I can fix my own margin of profit. I can fix own customer to whom I'm selling. I can even change the name of the particular, like I'll take from there and I can sell it on my brand, Anita brand, or you can sell it on your brand. So that is personal selling on internet. Third one is public relation on internet. So PR. So what is public relation? So publicity will be there, sponsorship and crisis management, corporate advertising, and what are the costs related to marketing, government, everything will be there in the, sorry, I think I changed it. Public promotion essence, sorry. You will be having, so what are the samples you're going to give it for the customers and what are the coupons you will be providing for the customers and refund offers and price of bonus pack and frequency, like event marketing prices, everything will, what is the premium, all will be there in this PR, like a public promotion. Okay, so this is the thing. And here all related, it may be local and central government will be there, or media like TV, press, radios will be there. All will be there in the public relations on internet. And fourth one is direct marketing on internet. So here direct marketing on internet essence and interactive marketing programs, like there are more advertisement medias and you can deliver throughout the world what products you are having, and throughout the world also you will be getting the customers here. Okay, like, and there are some key driving forces are there in this direct marketing on internet, like you can increase the competition and customer power will be there, and increase cost of media, emerging distribution channels, and you can use more new technologies, whatever you can be implemented you can use here. So these are the internet and integrated marketing communication. It is simply known as a framework of integrated internet marketing communication. You can tell this is a framework. Is it clear? They may ask you what is a framework of internet and integrated marketing communication. This is a framework. So we have seen integrated marketing communication, steps of IMC process, benefits, barriers, and framework. That's all for today. Is that clear? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.